Hello, all. Welcome to the day 22 of the daily case study series for Cbse Grade 12. The question goes like this. The bridge connects two hills 50-meter apart. The arc on the bridge is in a parabolic form. The highest point on the bridge is 5 feet above the road at the middle of the bridge, as shown in the figure. So let's mark these details in the graph. This is x-axis, y-axis, and point O is the origin. OA is 50. So this is 50 comma 0. B is the midpoint of this OA. So the coordinates of B will be 25 comma 0. OB is 25 feet. BA is 25 feet. Let C be the highest point in the parabola, which is the vertex H comma K. 25 comma 5. Question 1. The equation of the parabola designed on the bridge is the graph is open downwards. So it will have a negative in the equation. The next thing is graph is along y. Power of y will be 1 and power of x will be 2. So based on this, we get the answer as B. The second way of doing it is the general equation for this parabola is x square is equal to minus 4ay. Since there is a vertex h comma k, we rewrite this format as x minus h the whole square is equal to minus 4a times y minus k. Now this equation or this curve is passing through the origin. So substituting y equal to 0 and x equal to 0, we get 0 minus 25 the whole square is equal to minus 4a times 0 minus 5, which is 625 equal to minus 4a times minus 5. 625 is equal to 4a times 5. So from here we get 4a as 125. So substituting the value of this 4a in the template, x square is equal to minus 4ay. 4a is 125. So the equation becomes x square is equal to minus 125. So in this method also we are getting the same answer B. Question number 2. The value of the integral minus 25 to 25 x square by 125 dx. So 125 is a constant. Leaving that out, integral minus 25 to 25 x square dx 1 by 125 into x cube by 3 minus 25 to plus 25. 1 by 125 times 25 cube by 3 minus 25 cube by 3. On calculating this, we get 1 by 125 times 3 into 31,250, which gives us 250 by 3. The answer is B. There's another way of doing it. Method 2. Now let us analyze this f of x. F of x equal to x square by 125. If we substitute minus x instead of x, we get minus x the whole square by 125, which is again x square by 125, which is nothing but f of x. Since f of minus x is equal to f of x, that is x square by 125 is even. When it is even, the integration changes this way. 2 times 0 to 25 x square by 125 dx, which is 2 times x cube by 125 into 3, 0 to 25. 2 by 125 into 3, 25 cube minus lower limit is 0, 0 cube, that is 2 times 15,625 by 125 times 3, which gives us 250 by 3. Again, the answer is B. Question number 3. The integrand of the integral is integrand in the given question is x square sin x. Let's substitute minus x. So this becomes minus x the whole square sin of minus x. Minus x the whole square becomes x square, and sin of minus x is minus sin x, which becomes minus x square sin x, that is minus f of x. Since f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, the integrand is odd. So the option is B. Subdivision 4. The area formed by the curve y square is equal to 25x, x-axis, x equal to 4 and x equal to 9. Let's draw a rough sketch of the curve. Y square is equal to 25x. As discussed already, here x is having the power 1, so the curve will be along x-axis, something like this. And the limits are x equal to 4 and 9. Assume this is 4 and assume this is 9. So we have to get the area bounded by x equal to 4, x equal to 9 and the x-axis. Let's consider a slice on the x-axis, that is dx, and the height of the slice is y. So it becomes integral 4 to 9 y dx. From y square is equal to 25x, let's get y, which is 5 root x. Integral 4 to 9, 5 root x dx is equal to 5 integral 4 to 9 x power half dx, that is 5 times x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Limits 4 to 9. Let's take the 3 by 2 outside. So it becomes 5 into 2 by 3, and rewriting this x power 3 by 2 as root x power 3. Limits 4 to 9. 5 times 2 by 3 root 9 power 3 minus root 4 power 3, which gives 5 into 2 by 3. Root 9 is 3. 3 to the power 3 is 27. Minus root 4 is 2. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 5 into 2 by 3 into 19, which is 190 by 3. So the option is C, 190 by 3 square units. Question number 5. The area formed by the curve x square is equal to 125y, y-axis, y equal to 16, y equal to 25 is. For this also, let us draw a rough sketch of the curve. Power of y is 1. So the curve lies along y-axis. It is positive. So the curve is open upwards. The curve goes like this. We have to get the area formed by y-axis and y equal to 16, y equal to 25. Y is equal to 16. Let's assume this is y equal to 16. And let's assume this is y equal to 25. So we need to get the area bounded by the curve, y-axis and these 2 points, that is this region. So for this, let us consider a slice along y. Now this is dy and the length of the slice is x. So area is equal to integral 16 to 25 x dy. Integral 16 to 25 root 125 y dy. So this root 125y comes from this equation. X square is equal to 125y. Root 125 is taken out. Integral 16 to 25 y power half dy, which is 5 root 5 y power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, limits 16 to 25. 5 root 5 into 2 by 3. Now let's rewrite y power 3 by 2 as root y to the power 3, limits 16 to 25, which is 5 root 5 into 2 by 3. Root 25 is 5, 5 power 3 is 125, minus root 16 is 4, 4 to the power 3 is 64. 5 root 5 into 2 by 3 into 61, which gives us 610 root 5 by 3 square units. So the option is A. Let's get back with another case study question tomorrow. Thank you all.